Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Google Stocks, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, research what Google Stocks are. Google Stocks are a part of Alphabet Incorporated, the parent company of Google. Visit a trusted financial news website or stock market app to gather information about Google. Study current market trends related to Alphabet Inc. Next, create a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable brokerage platform that fits your needs. Complete the registration process by providing necessary personal information. Verify your identity as required by the brokerage. Once your account is set up, deposit funds into your trading account. Decide how much money you can comfortably invest without affecting your daily finances. Now, navigate to the search bar on your brokerage platform and type in Google's stock ticker symbol, Google or Google. Analyze the stock's price history and performance chart. Set your investment goals, whether they are for long-term growth or short-term gains. If you're ready to buy, decide the number of shares you want to purchase. Place your market order or limit order based on your strategy. Market orders buy stocks at the current market price. Limit orders allow you to set a specific price at which you want to buy. After placing your order, monitor your investment regularly. Stay updated on news related to Google and the tech industry. Consider using tools and resources offered by your brokerage for analysis. Review your investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Understand the importance of diversification to minimize risk in your portfolio. Continue educating yourself about stock trading and market trends. Set a plan for when to sell your stocks, whether it's for profit or to cut losses. Finally, keep emotions in check and make decisions based on data and analysis. This will help you save and potentially grow your investments with Google Stocks successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.